1. This is number 1. Let's make number blocks. This is number blocks 1. Make 2. The number is 2. Let's make number blocks 2. This is number blocks 2. Let's make number 2. Number 2. Let's make 3. This is number 3. This is number 3. Let's make number blocks 3. This is number blocks 3. Let's make number 3. This is number 3. Number 3. Let's make number 4. This is number 4. Let's make number blocks 4. Let's make number blocks 4. This is number blocks 4. Let's make the number block 4 like the number 4. Let's make. Four. The number 4. Here are number blocks 4. Let's make number blocks 5. First of all, we create the number. This is the number 5. Let's make number blocks 5. Number blocks 2 plus number blocks 2 equals 4 plus number blocks 1. This is number blocks 5. This is number blocks 5. Let's build the number 5. This is number 5. Number 5. And this is number blocks 5.